At this point, you are probably familiar with Bitcoin and/or cryptocurrencies, but if not, simply put, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are digital currencies in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and to verify the transfer of funds operating independently from a central bank. This is attractive to many people throughout the world because it allows for international transactions without the interference of a bank or the need to exchange currency into your local currency. One of the biggest downfalls or problems with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is they tend to be very volatile, meaning their value changes rapidly and is somewhat unpredictable. The good news is there is an automatic way to identify when the volatility is going to happen so you can make money when trading these digital currencies. What if I told you we have access to a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading robot that was built specifically to know exactly when to buy and sell these volatile digital currencies without you needing to do any work? Our proprietary trading software literally picks the digital currencies for you, buys and sells them for you based on the requirements that have been programmed into the trading software. I know at this point you're probably thinking this has to be too good to be true, but the fact is it isn't. The problem we've found is most people just don't know that there are digital tools out there like this that exist. If you are interested in learning more about our digital currency trading robot, fill in your information and you will immediately have full access to a video that explains exactly how the robot works, and it explains why this option is much safer than other income producing opportunities. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.